Hey friends, if you wish to measure distance in Google Maps, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So, open your browser and go to google.com and hit enter. Now, search for the first place from where you wish to check the distance. Okay, then go to maps. Okay, and then you can click on directions, and then you can, let's say, find its directions to this place. Okay, let's make it closer. Let's make it this place, DLF Mall. Okay, so we have added the destination and we have added this thing. Now click on options, or even otherwise it will show the distance here. The distance is 15.9 kilometers, and it will also show the time taken for that. You can also click on the walking path, because the walking path will usually show a smaller distance. Okay, so you can check accordingly. It shows the distance for when you enter the to and fro areas. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.